Hey guys, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to make a sticky toffee pudding. You will need 50 grams of salted butter, 85 grams of brown sugar, 115 grams of self-raising flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, 1 egg, 135 ml of milk, and 1.5 tablespoons of treacle. Start by placing your butter and your sugar in a bowl, and you're going to whisk until they're combined. Then add your egg, your flour mixture and your treacle and whisk until combined. When it starts to look like cake batter, this is when you begin adding your milk in slowly. What you're looking for is a really loose mixture at the end. Grease a square baking tin and line with parchment paper. This recipe is for a small amount, so any small tin will do. Place your tin into a preheated oven of 180 degrees Celsius for 30 to 40 minutes. To make your sauce, you will need 50 grams of butter, 60 grams of brown sugar, 150 ml of double cream, and a tablespoon of treacle. Heat your sauce until everything has melted. Then, continue to cook and remove from the heat when it reaches the boil. Once cooled, cut your cake into as many slices as you like. I've gone for bite-sized pieces in this video. While your sauce is still hot, pour a generous amount all over your sticky toffee pudding. And that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this super quick and simple sticky toffee recipe. See you in the next one.